Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to show your read time on Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you've ever wondered how people can see when you've read their messages, or you want to control that visibility yourself, you're in the right place. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram gives you control over what others can see about your activity. Now tap on Last Seen and Online. This section manages your visibility, including when you were last active and whether people can tell when you've read their messages. Here's the important part. Look for the option called Hide Read Time. If this is turned on, other users won't be able to see when you've read their messages. To show your read time, simply toggle this option off. Once you've done that, your read time will be visible to others based on your privacy settings. Keep in mind that Telegram often works on a mutual privacy system, so if you hide your read time from others, you may not be able to see theirs either. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and you're in control of your read visibility on Telegram. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your apps.